Welcome to my channel. On here, the first thing I'm going to do is rebuild this car that I already made a video on reviewing on Copart. I bought this car for $3,300 only, and I'm really satisfied with it. Everything that you saw in the previous video, or you can go back and see, is exactly as expected. No surprises here. Only good surprises actually. There's a bunch of parts inside that I wasn't expecting at all. Actually, I was expecting them. I was hoping they were in here. So we've got some parts. We'll look at those later, but let's do a walk around of it right now. This whole side, just like the picture showed, is fine. No damage anywhere. The car is started right now. Runs perfect. We'll just shape off. So this is where the damage is. Main component of damage. The main component of damage is the door. This thing is obliterated. There's no saving this door. This thing's destroyed. This door is gonna get thrown out quick. I was hoping that this floor panel would be untouched like it is, not touched here. So that's good. Everything is expected here. This is the quarter panel that's gonna need to get cold. I might just take off the panels and push it. What do you think?
No idea. Could work.
I'll hammer it out. Here everything looks pretty good. This whole thing is perfect. Like I saw. Alright, so we're gonna take a closer look at the damage right now. This does not look bad at all in this part. I'm gonna take apart a bunch of the plastic inside and the seat and try to push this out and maybe hammer this part out and do as much of this as I can to save money on framework. We see that this is probably gonna require frame pulling almost certainly, but I'll see what I can do. I'll start it up, and worst case scenario, I take off the parts and I make it easier for the frame guy. So I save some money there because it takes less time. So we see these little, on the edges, these edges are pretty hard. So they got pushed in, just all a little bit mangled up, but that's no issue. And you can see on the door here. So I'm thinking that if I put a new door on right now, it probably won't shut, but I'm gonna try it. And I'm gonna hammer this out if it doesn't shut right away. When we get further, I thought this might have had some damage, but it's perfect. Really happy about that. Something that I'm even more happy about is the headlight. I wanted this car fixed really quick. So I I already was planning on buying a headlight for almost $220, and I already can see from afar that it's inside the car. Something else I'm really happy about is this wheel is straight. It's definitely usable. I don't have to get a new one. The bumper's gonna get a little bit of work here because it's cracked. It has a little crack right there. It's tiny. Hood is mint. Nothing touching the hood. Obviously this side's all good. So let's see what parts we have inside the car. There's an absorber. I mean, I was expecting this to be already under the bumper. There was no reason to be taken out, but this saves a lot of money for inspection. They're like, what, $150?
100. I paid 60 for mine.
$100 for this foam. Are you kidding?
But every dollar counts.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it. I guess let's put the purple power. Alright, I get that. This bike is the thing that's confusing me. Wow. Does it run and drive though? doesn't run real good though. No way. These Yeezys?
They're trash. Probably fake too.
Yeah. I can't imagine good Yeezys being destroyed like this. These are dirty. Yeah, definitely a sneakerhead in here.
Fake Jordans too.
You think they're fake?
Look at this.
Maybe. Whoa. Look at that. It's crazy. Wow, is there anything else? I'm surprised. Wow. Wheel lock. That's all normal, but but the Yeezys though and the bike. What?